Good afternoon, my dear friends. My name is Sushma Tyagi. Welcome to your own channel, MOLLIE'S Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare 3 types of rice, that is curd rice, lemon rice and tomato rice. If you are bored of having rajma rice, chole rice, kadhi rice, then this recipe is for you guys. This is very easy and quick recipe. So let's start preparing curd rice or dahi chawal, which helps in digestion and also helps in weight loss.
2 tablespoons of oil, mustard seeds. Mustard seeds will allow it to splutter. Take some chopped green chilies, 2 tablespoons of chopped onion, ginger. Ginger, I would say half a tablespoon is good enough. And of course we'll take loads and loads of curry leaves. Curry leaves are very important ingredient for our yogurt rice, curd rice. Half a teaspoon of salt. I like to have my curd rice a bit nutty, so I would add broken cashew nuts. Cup of boiled rice is all I need. We'll mix it well. And we'll add carrot. 1 cup of carrot is good enough. I like to use more carrot and as well as pomegranate because it makes it even more healthy. If you want to use half a cup of carrot and half a cup of pomegranate seeds, it's absolutely fine. So my preparation is done. I will switch off the gas. A cup of yogurt. Here you go. If you want, you can use some chopped coriander as well. And your yogurt rice is ready to be served. Looks good. And lastly, I will add the pomegranate seeds. See how colorful it looks?
Now let's start preparing lemon rice, which prevents heart disease.
Gram seeds to the hot oil in the pan. Of course, we'll be using the mustard seed, around half a tablespoon. We'll add green chilies, chopped, onion, ginger. I want my rice to be nutty, so I will add cashew nuts, around 4 or 5. The gram needs to be cooked well, and so is the nuts, which is the cashew nut. You can use any other nut of your choice, of course. Now I shall add a pinch of turmeric. Turmeric is must in lemon rice. A bit of chili powder, salt. While it is cooking, I shall add fresh curry leaves as well. I'll use around 10 to 15 curry leaves. And finally, I will add rice to it, around a bowl of rice. Lemon juice, which is approximately, I have squeezed the lemon of 2 lemon juice. Lemon rice is ready. See, again, it was a very simple recipe. Preparation time was less than 2 to 3 minutes, and you can see the color. It looks quite lemony, and I'll remove it immediately from the gas.
Now start preparing tomato rice, which helps in controlling bad cholesterol.
Oil. So I'll allow it to heat a bit of ginger, chilies, chopped onion. The onion needs to be translucent, it is very important, and ginger needs to be cooked with rest of it. Now we'll add red chilies, dried red chilies. In any South Indian food, you have to add the mustard seed. So I have added mustard seed here, half a teaspoon of turmeric, then you have half a teaspoon of red chili powder. We'll immediately, the moment we put the powders, we'll add the tomatoes. I have taken 2 medium-sized tomato and I'll add some salt to it. I'll close this until it is cooked. It should take not more than 5 minutes. Around 12 to 15 curry leaves, and allow it to cook further for another 3 to 4 minutes. Closing it. Just before it is going to be done, I'll add garam masala. Garam masala is very, very important in the making of tomato rice. Pretty much done, but you know what? I will keep it on heat for an additional 30 seconds just to be double sure. So the tomatoes are cooked well with spices. Now it's time to add rice, but before adding rice I have taken half a teaspoon of sugar to it just to balance the taste, and now we'll add a cup of rice. Good, tangy, nutritious, healthy, and very less time consuming. So the tomato rice is almost done. We'll cook it for just another minute so that all the flavors is exchanged between the rice and the spices that we cooked. Here you go. And we'll switch off the gas. Add a bit of coriander leaves towards the end. I'll use quite a lot of coriander leaves and give it a mix, and the tomato rice is ready and ready to be served.
Hope you like the content. Please like and share the video, and please subscribe my channel.